Hi guys, Akshata here from Akshata's Recipes. So today I'm going to be showing you all how to make Ros Omelette, which is a super simple recipe. So now here I already have the Chapati going on. Now for my Chapati recipe, I'm going to leave a link in the description box below because I've given you the Chapati recipe. It's super simple. It's my mom's recipe and it is the authentic Goan Xacuti recipe. And now I'm just going to make an omelette. Using the normal omelette that we make with chilies and onions and everything. You can always make it the way you always make your omelette at home. I'm just showing you a simple way of making the omelette, and then we'll just assemble the lovely Ros Omelette, which is super delicious. So I'll show you how to make the omelette, and then we'll assemble the Ros Omelette. How does this Ros Omelette look? Aren't you just waiting to make it and dig in? It's super simple and really delicious. So you know what to do. If you like this recipe, give it a big like. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you aren't a subscriber yet. It's totally free. And also click on the notification bell and choose all. That way whenever I put up a new recipe, you'll get a message for the same. So go and check out all my recipes. I have more than 1,000 recipes on my channel. So just go and search it on my homepage. I'll leave a link below. And if you're looking for any recipe, Goan, Maharashtrian, any kind of recipe, just write to me and I'll definitely put it out there on my channel. And if you're looking for any of my recipes, just type in the YouTube search button. Suppose you're looking for Xacuti. So you put Goan Xacuti with an X, X-A-C-U-T-I. Akshata's recipes with an apostrophe S, and my recipe will show up first. So thank you so much for watching today's video. My mouth is watering. I can't wait to dig into my lunch today. You go and make it over the weekend and I'll catch you soon. Lots of love from me. Bye.
Everybody just do your thing. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up.